If you're in the market for a massive gaming monitor, the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G9 immediately grabs attention with its jaw-dropping 49-inch ultra-wide screen, 5120 by 1440 resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and HDR 1000 certification. But does it really live up to the hype? At a price tag of around $1,700, expectations are high, and on paper, it looks like a dream for gamers and multitaskers alike. However, after diving deep into GPU benchmarks, forum discussions, and hundreds of user reports, the reality is a little more nuanced. One of the first things I noticed is that the 240Hz headline isn't always achievable in practice, especially with certain GPU setups, which can significantly limit the experience for high frame rate gaming. Another concern raised repeatedly over the years is the flickering and occasional black screen issues when running at 240Hz with G-Sync enabled, something that has frustrated early adopters despite Samsung support responses offering limited guidance. Then there's the question of power. Driving a 5120 by 1440 display at high refresh rates demands a serious GPU, which adds hidden costs to what already feels like a premium purchase. HDR 1000 sounds impressive, but it operates on just 10 local dimming zones spread across this enormous panel, which affects contrast and peak brightness in practical use. Benchmarks with an RTX 3090 reveal that while high-end cards can handle many games at full resolution, not all titles hit the advertised frame rates, and certain features like adaptive sync and HDR can behave inconsistently. After testing, the monitor excels at immersion thanks to its curvature and sheer screen real estate. But these technical caveats mean that potential buyers should approach the Odyssey G9 with informed expectations rather than marketing promises. In the end, it's a remarkable piece of technology, but like any premium product, it comes with trade-offs that matter depending on your setup and priorities.